We've just acquired this lovely gleaming black Jaguar XF 2.2 diesel. Superb condition for its age mileage. It's got the R Sport front grille that sets it off. It's the facelift model with the running daylights. It just absolutely gleams. Alloys are unmarked. Park distance control to the rear. Carpet mats in the boot, all being well looked after. Look at that paintwork. Ooh. It's got electric mirrors, windows obviously. Full leather interior. Keyless start. As you can see, all the air vents go up and float. It's got paddle shift on the gearbox. Climate control. This car has navigation. It has heated seats, 3-stage. Got a button for the glove box. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.